Ask him again.
Yo, spirit animal. Spirit animal is kind of like when you're feeling happy or sad and you see a certain animal and just kind of you always see.
No, but give me your cup. You've had too much. No.
No?
No.
You? You know you do. What's your spirit animal?
Anaconda. It reminds me every time I take a piss.
Not yourself. and now when you're sleeping.
What's your spirit animal there, Nicholas?
Black Panther, baby.
What's your spirit animal, Jesse?
I don't know.
It's gotta be something. Okay, what animal turns you on then?
Hot chocolate. Black Panthers turned me on.
So what's your spirit animal?
I've always been a guy that likes big, fat, white snakes. You better stop.
Oh, shit.
That was my wife's spirit animal.
As a matter of fact, I brought mine with me.
Let's see, put it around his neck.
Or you can put it around my neck. We don't even need to
Oh no, albino snake. You know, he's going around with the albino snake. Hey Jesse, you losing
Hey, but
weight?
on a serious note, whoever wakes up first tomorrow, wake us up.
Yeah.
Are we gonna go to the back?
Nah, dude, I don't care.
I
where
don't
go,
care
bro.
either,
I don't
but
care.
it's-
It's better. The
like
the
always-
back is usually the back is where the shit's at.
Yeah.
But I've seen jackpots come out the front, bro,
Oh,
like
dude.
you wouldn't believe. It's probably happening.
Everybody's
came
back
off the
here.
side.
I'm going
Yeah.
up.
I got the yellow tail.
Oh, yeah.
Right off the side.
Right off the side.
He jumped off the
Right off the side.
Threw it out. Boom. Cut. I was like,
Yeah.
I don't know if he was watching up from up top and seen it out there in the cow bed, but he jumped off so fast.
No, it's like every time the boat stops, dude. Dude, when I was on the Black Pearl, as soon as the boat stopped, I was the first one at the boat stopped. Right before as soon as the guy throttled down, boom, boom, I was on there. I was on a 25-pound yellowtail for like 15 minutes. On the
No, but I'll take you an example. That's why you need your setup done tonight.
not unless
You
they
go
see
to
a
sleep
school.
And you wake up and
If they
people
see
are
a
already
school,
fishing, you're going to be
if they see
setting
a
shit
school,
up.
they'll start chumming to try to keep it to come up to the
Get
boat.
your hooks done, figure out whatever
Yeah.
you're going to have your setup and set it up tonight, or get up early tomorrow.
Yeah.
Because if they're all fishing and it starts happening early and you're back here setting up, you're going to be like, oh, fuck.
Yeah.
Can I use the Bronco pole?
They do whatever you want to use. You use Big Red, fucking the Bronco pole.
Unless you're gonna use that shit.
Nah, dude, whatever you want to use, brother. Want another shot? I'm gonna take another shot.
Yeah.
Where's your cup at?
Keep those cups kind of hidden.
You know, I wasn't too sure
Come on,
about
bro, let's go get another shot.
the
I
gray.
love this.
That's
I
a
like
nice
it 'cause
color,
it's
bro.
light.
I think
That's
it gotta
a
be white,
nice
though.
color.
Yeah.
Rock that.
Because all
No,
I've
white
got
is
blue,
too
I've got
dirty.
black.
That's a nice
I've got a
color, bro.
dark gray,
I'm not
but
a fan
I
of
like
I'm not a fan of white because it makes you look like
Yeah.
Chuck, bro.
Hey, do you want mango?
The one time Chuck showed up at the fucking at the shop with the white T-shirt. Oh my god, he looked like the Stay Puft Muff model, man. I wanted to call the fucking Ghostbusters, bro.
Alert, alert.
These are the bunks on the Toronado. Right here. Right here. Comfortable.
I don't know if you guys want to see the jackpot winner bunk, number 26.
All right. My boy Nigel.
Shit. You know what's popping?
That's it. This is the secret sauce.
Get
with you, brother.
That one's good.
Good for the night, brother.
Want mango in here?
Huh?
Mango?
Nah,
Put some in this one. Put some in
Gary, they want them straight for you. Which one's yours?
Mike wanted some, but put some in the middle.
That's yours for sure? Yes. Alright.
Chill a little bit. Sit.
Can't drink this shit. Watch it. Can't stand it in the neck. Take it just in case they want something.
Hold it.
Just shoot
How many
after.
hours you got on that?
I
I
don't
only
know.
got 2.
Well, I got an extra battery and I have a battery charger.
Guys,
Did I
But
bring
how,
the
how
cord?
long
I don't
does
know.
that give you? An hour? Or, do you know?
I don't know, which it should be giving me at least 2 hours.
They're turning that shit off tonight.
You want some mango?
You want some mango? He didn't put no mango in it. I got cranberry juice. The fuck was that shit? Now we all gotta drink out of that fucking shit. We all gotta be fucking blowing up the boat
I
tonight.
don't know who's
I licked your pillow already. What are you fucking talking about?
It's alright, it's alright. Alright, bullshit,
I already licked your guys' pillow, so what are you doing?
I got all your pillow and I went like this.
Drug silver.
Just shimmies
Oh, that
down,
is
huh?
good, dude.
Feel like it's like.
I'm gonna share some with you for what it's worth. Because I've been on my first fishing trip a year ago July.
Well, see, that's